Hello, good day. I want to show you how to download YouTube video. First step, go on the browser which you are using for browser. Search youtube.com. Click on go. You will see click on the video in which you want to download. On that video, just copy the link of that video. Paste it back. Where you have .m, erase it and put xx. Click on go. It will take you to save from .n net. On that save.net, you have different resolution of the video in which you can download. Click on this drop down. Can you see drop down? Click on it and you can choose any resolution in which you want. For this video, I want to choose 144. Click on it. It will show something like an advert to you. Just cancel it. Go back. Close it. Go back. From there, you will be given options in which you will see these three dots drop down. Click on this three dots. Click on it. Just click on download. Can you see your download now? That is how to download the video. The video is downloading now. Let me pause this video so that you can see how when the downloading has completed. The download finally has been completed. Let me play the video. Can you see the video now? It's because of the resolution which I chose when downloading the video. That's the reason why it showed this video in a small size. That's how to download YouTube video without using any application. See you in the next tutorial. Please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and like this video and share this video to your colleagues so that they can benefit from this tutorial.